Tell me about your work.
In this work, we try to propose resilient reinforcement learning, which is applicable in cyber-physical transportation systems. If I have a reinforcement learning agent, and if the environment is ideal, then it's going to function properly. But if there are attacks, right, then there won't be any timely transfer and reception of data. So in that case, the agent may not work efficiently. So our aim here was to propose an algorithm or a method through which we can guarantee that our reinforcement learning algorithm is resilient. So by resilience, what I mean is that under attacks, under what conditions can I still guarantee that our autonomous vehicle is going to function properly? So here, this is our RL-based algorithm where we want to learn an optimal policy for lane changing. So here are several cases of lane changing. Once we converge to an optimal policy, we want to evaluate if the optimal policy is resilient enough under the influence of DOS attacks. So we try to get that resilience condition using this inequality. So here we have characterized our DOS attacks in terms of its frequency and duration. So we give exactly how much duration the RL-based algorithm can handle before the system goes unstable. And this duration bound can be learned using input-output data. It's not that if you don't know your environment or if you don't know the system dynamics properly, that you cannot do it. No, but even if you don't know your system dynamics properly, you can still learn this bound, which can tell you how much resilient my RL-based algorithm is. And we try to implement it on a realistic scenario. So here we have our remote control RC car, which has a LiDAR sensor, which has an odometry, and also NVIDIA Jetson board, which is a computation device. So we try to implement our algorithm on this and make it run through several experiments. And after a lot of evaluation, we got this plots, which shows you that under attacks, given this algorithm and given our DOS attacks satisfy some bound, our algorithm or our car is still stable.